Hi, this is David with InsideOut Home Inspection. Today we're looking at plumbing vent collars and flashing. So it's pretty common we see these rubber booties or collars around plumbing vents. They deteriorate over time. So if you haven't been up on your roof to check these out, um, these are one of the most common things we see, and they do allow, when they deteriorate, they allow water to potentially get into your attic space and start causing damage. Um, they're pretty cheap and easy to replace, uh, about $3 to $5 depending on where you find them. But I do have some links on Amazon. Get them sent directly to your door. And if you're comfortable climbing up on your roof, or if you have a handyman that can do it, it's a whole lot cheaper than having a roofer go up there. They'll charge a couple $100 to replace a few of these items that cost just a few dollars. So something you should do and check out on a yearly basis. Um, Thanks again. I'm David with Inside Out Home Inspection.